Coming soon
This
on Ziggy.
ngenzakala isimangaliso guys. Okay, kunogele kwathi umathanda usane yamazi la.
I'll shout out.
Sando Mulaba.
Hola.
Yeah, like, she was a precious gift esphiwe uNkulunkulu yabo.
Okay.
Because leti yenzeke like unexpected. Yeah, if nje ngomunye umuntu it's ngithi umuntu like mamfili yamfili yabo. Yenzeka ukuthi hayi man sakwenye iphathi kaMgazi. I think it was January yabo. Sifike vele lana nakhona bekunomsebenzi ekhaya yabo. Ngithi mina before solala bafethu asishiyeni lapha kaMgazi soko yabo. Sitholala. Amashenta avule vele on. Asifika kaMgazi vele sirelax kancane. After uma 30 minutes ngibona intombazane yajayiva la. Bika ikhaya phezulu yabo. Bayinyambeka nyamazi lo mntwana yabo benginokumbona man around ngichaya yabo but manje ujayiva walo happy like
Their own business.
Yeah, ngazifaka la khona yabo. Bangibhekile ngithi happy jokela. Sengumshoot ngikhipha ifoni ngimrecord angaboni vele azacede.
Poleng Media Production.